INTRA Group, or Interventions Using Robots for Accidents Group, was created in 1988. Its creation is at the initiative of the three main French nuclear energy actors, EDF, the Commissariat à l'énergie atomique et aux énergies alternatives, and Orano. The group was implemented 2 years after the Chernobyl nuclear accident. Its objective: operate and maintain a fleet of remote-controlled robots capable of intervening 24/7 in place of people during a major nuclear accident. INTRA Group can intervene not only on all of the French nuclear sites, but also on foreign nuclear sites. The 21 employees of the group are based at the nuclear power plant site in Chinon. They design and operate machines that may be used during an intervention in extremely radioactive environments. The team is supplemented by external pilots who work regularly on various nuclear sites in France and are also trained by INTRA Group to act as reinforcements in the event of an intervention. As for the material, the machines are suitable for 3 types of missions: reconnaissance, radiological measurements, and operational interventions. The fleet includes an excavator and a bulldozer, which can clear the accesses to a plant that has been damaged. These public works robots are piloted from an armored workstation. The operators pilot using cameras and are therefore protected from any radiation and contamination. INTRA Group also has outdoor robots, tracked vehicles to facilitate progression on rough terrain. They are equipped with a hydraulic arm with a capacity of 300 kilograms for retrieving or moving objects or taking samples that require further analysis. Their multiple cameras allow them to span the entire field of operation. Their radiological probes, radiation meters, and gamma cameras deliver real-time environmental images and data to the command and control centers. Drones are also central to the operation. They make it possible to carry out visual and radiological reconnaissance missions. The larger models can travel longer distances and are able to carry loads of several kilos. Indoor robots are equipped with a 2- or 3-track system technology and thus are able to cross obstacles and climb stairs. Thanks to their articulated arms and claws, these robots open doors and handle valves and recover objects including radioactive sources. They are wire-guided up to 350 meters to avoid the difficulties related to radio transmissions inside the buildings. Their electronic design has been the subject of specific studies to allow them to resist ionizing radiation. The indoor robots are also equipped with numerous cameras and probes. This equipment allows crisis management teams to monitor in real time, with an autonomy of 6 to 8 hours, the progress of missions and the evolution of the site environment. The Nerva robot expands the range of land robots. It allows for the rapid realization of many reconnaissance missions, both interior and exterior. Its modern design foreshadows the progressive replacement of INTRA Group's older resources with new generation machines. For the realization of radiological mapping, INTRA Group uses drones and their radiological probes. But that's not all. It also has high-performance detectors installed on civil security helicopters to map large areas. 50 square kilometers can therefore be mapped every day. Finally, radio-transmitted fixed beacons allow the operator and the civil authorities to follow in real time the evolution of the radiological conditions of a site. The use of the robotic resources relies on major logistical support, fast reconnaissance vehicles, more conventional control workstations for indoor and outdoor robots, control stations with satellite links, and finally, mast trailers for transmissions between the machines and the workstations. For the indoor robots, INTRA Group has set up high-performance facilities for pilot training and practicing. A modular training room is equipped with removable obstacles, doors, valves, and electrical outlets placed in the same context as the facilities of its 3 parent companies. Other latest generation equipment, a simulator. It increases the frequency of training and practicing. and the teams can practice complex and risky scenarios as well as preserving the material. INTRA Group, with 30 years of experience, is therefore a unique and highly sought-after know-how, even though France has never been confronted with a major nuclear accident. INTRA Group teams have already put their skills to the service of real cases. The radiological identification of soils, the recovery of highly radioactive sources and filters, and the handling of explosives. INTRA Group employees are at the forefront of the new technologies, innovation through international projects, and collaborations with manufacturers. They are working on the development and adaptation of a new generation of intervention robots. Very active on the international scene, they are constantly working with nuclear crisis management actors, particularly the Germans and the Russians. Finally, after the Fukushima accident, close contacts were made with Japan. The Japanese have also been inspired by INTRA Group's operation to create their own emergency response structure.